All right, question 6. 2x minus 3y equal to negative 14. 3x minus 2y equal to negative 6. If x comma y is a solution to the system of equations above, what is the value of x minus y? All right, so we pretty much have to solve for the x and the y value, and then we can do the x minus y, and that will be our answer. Okay, so this is a system equation, so we can do elimination or substitution. But for this question, I think might be easier if you do elimination because we don't have like x or y by itself. And if we're going to do substitution to get x or y by itself first and then substitute, that might take a little bit longer. Okay, if you want to do elimination, what we can do is we want to try to cancel out the y values, for example. Okay, the first equation we can do, there are more than one way to do this, but the first equation we can multiply by a 2. Okay, multiply by 2. And the second equation, we can multiply by negative 3 for the second equation. Okay. Well, see what happens if you multiply the first one by 2, the whole equation might then multiply everything by 2. That should give us 4x minus 2 times 3y is 6y. Equal to negative 14 times 2 is negative 28. Okay. And then the second equation, we multiply by negative 3, we get 3x times negative 3 is negative 9x. Negative 2y times negative 3 is positive 6y. Equal to negative 6 times negative 3 is positive 18. Okay. See, the purpose of multiplying by some numbers here, you see what we just made is we made a negative 6y here for the first equation and the positive 6y for the second equation. Okay, you want them to have the same number in front, but opposite signs. You want to make one negative, the other one's positive. So if we add them together, they will cancel each other out. Okay, so now we're going to add the two equations together. Okay, the negative 6y positive 6y, they cancel out. And we get 4x minus 9x, we add them up. That should give us negative 5x. And then the other two numbers, we combine them, negative 28 plus 18. We get negative 10 right there. Okay, so negative 10, negative 5x equal negative 10 to solve for x. We can divide by negative 5 on both sides. Get x equal to negative 5 or negative 10 or negative 5. So the negative cancel. So we just have a positive answer. And 10 divided by 5 should be 2. Okay, so the x value here is equal to 2. All right. And once we have that, we can go back and solve for the y value now. So you can plug in x equal to 2 into any one of the equation that we have. So let's just go and do the first equation. 2x minus 3y equal negative 14. And now we know x is 2, right? We're going to plug in 2 for x. So it'd be 2 times 2 minus 3y equal negative 14. We get 4 minus 3y equal negative 14. And to solve here, we do minus 4 on both sides. Okay, negative 3y equal to negative 4 minus 4, negative 18. Okay, and then solve for y divided by negative 3. Okay, so we get y equal to negative 18 or negative 3. And the two negative will cancel out and make a positive 6 right there. Okay, so x equal to 2, y equal to 6. Well, what's the value of x minus y? That should be, it will be 2 minus 6, which is equal to negative 4. Okay, and that will be our final answer for question 6, which is letter C here.